Awesome, guys, isn't that fantastic? I got a cool little project for you today. It is called a spin art. I already did 2 of these already. Tricks that'll help you guys do on your own. I just got these little arts and crafts. You can get like a pack of probably 10 of these for like $5–10 at Hobby Lobby. I also got some bigger ones. It's probably a little bit easier to attach the drill on this. How you do that, if you want to see, I got my picture on there, but from behind I had a little hack by putting, this is probably the best tape that'll stick. It is Gorilla Glue. It's really strong, but it's also really expensive. So I kind of used just some regular masking tape to kind of start it off, and then I put just a little bit of the Gorilla tape on the end. I kind of balanced it up there and just put a couple pieces. Put some kind of going this way and then some kind of wrap it around, just to make sure it's nice and strong. Push it all on there, and then just have a little power drill. Maybe your mom or dad can help you with that part, and it sticks on there pretty good, and it will spin around there. Now the fun part. So what this is a cool spin art. You can do any sort of colors that you want. There's all different ways that you can put the paint on. I'm just gonna have some fun with the primary colors. I clearly have some messy clothes that you do not care about too much. You wanna get some messy clothes because you are gonna get messy in this. Like I said, I picked the primary colors. The primary colors are
red, blue, yellow.
Good job. Red, yellow, and blue. Those are the primary colors, the most important colors, because they can mix up everything. So I guess when we mix these up, we should be able to make like every single color, right? Done this once before. I found the best way is to put white on it first. Put a good amount of white on it first, and that'll kind of spread it around, make it look a little bit cooler. So I'm gonna start with white, and then add some red, yellow, and blue, and then spin it on there. So let's add some of the white first. Just like this. But now the fun part is when we're gonna spin it. So I'm gonna tip it up, move away from my house a little bit. Make sure not to get my daughter, the camera lady, dirty. And then we're gonna spin. You ready? Set. Alright, let's see it. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. It kind of left the middle. It looks like a little bit open. And then the outside is kind of splattered. It kind of reminds me of a soccer ball. Kind of in the middle. As you can see, nice and dirty. Do I have anything on my face? Can't see.
No.
On there. Okay, so that's the first attempt. Now I'm going to hook up my daughter's and let her do one. I'm going to try to save at least some of the tape. If you're doing a bunch of these at once, you can probably use the same kind of setup. Just kind of add some more tape. So this one I'm going to try a little smaller one, or I should say my daughter's going to try this one. Just push it right on there. For the most part, it should stay pretty strong, but I might add a couple more just regular pieces. Okay, now I got my daughter. Say hi. She's gonna do the second one on there. Okay, you can go to it. Alright guys, so she is going to add a little bit of white. She got a little too much purple on there and isn't quite perfectly happy, but I think this is a good teaching moment that you can always add more colors on top of it. So we're going to try that. Check them out. I guess you can decide which one you like better. This one, this one, or this one, or this one. All right, so that is our video. Again, this is an awesome summer project, something that you can get outside, enjoy the beautiful weather outside and have some fun with. Just make sure you kind of get your parents' permission about doing something messy like this, but it's definitely fun, so enjoy that. Alright, so that's our video for today, so have some fun with this. You can always tag me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want. When you guys do this, just hit Mr. Shooty's art on there. So thank you guys for viewing. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's art class. We'll talk to you guys later. Move away from my house a little bit. Make sure not to get my daughter, the camera lady, dirty, and then we're gonna spin. You ready? Set. Okay, stop.
You're gonna spray it at me.
2, 1.